Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see wishlist on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to see wishlist on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening a Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you tap on the U button, guys, you will land on this interface. But when we swipe it a little bit up, you can see currently we are on the browsing history. And let's go back, and just beside the browsing history over here where I'm tapping, at the right side there is the wish list available for us. Tap on wish list, and all of the item which you had added to our wish list on Temu will be available over here. But if you swipe it to the right and tap on the CL button at the end of this list, all of our items which you had added to wishlist on Temu will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see wishlist on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.